What if I told you that could you win up to $20,000 just by building an AI agent? Yes, you heard that right. Microsoft just launched that AI Agent Hackathon 2025, and it's your chance to dive into AI, build something amazing, and maybe even big, completely online, totally free. And whether you are a beginner learning to code or an experienced developer, this event's for you. Okay, so Microsoft launch AI events hackathons 2025, and I give you the link in description. You go through, and it's a start from 8th of April and end up to 13th of April 2025. Okay, and let's see the details. So 2025 the year of AI agent, you know. Okay, but what exactly is AI agent and how can you build one? Whether you are a sincere developer or just starting out, this free 3-week virtual hackathon where Microsoft professional you teach, okay, is your chance to dive into AI agent development, learn from 20 experts lead session and stream it live on YouTube, covering top frameworks like Semantic, Keral, AutoGen, the new Azure AI Agent SDK, and the Microsoft 365 Agent SDK. Okay, so export session 8 to 13th April, and the hackathon submission deadline is April 30th 2025, 11 59 p.m. Okay, so for even more AI agent learning opportunity, join from the April of 8 in attempt Genius World Records title for most user take an online event level AI lesson in 24 hours. And this is a registration process that form will register you for the hackathon. Afterwards, browse the live stream schedule before below and register for the sessions you are interested. Okay, so click on this register now, and you come on this page. So scroll down, and here you can see all the details about the. Okay, so I am already registered for, so simply I log out. Okay, so here you can see complete the form to receive event resources in your inbox. So click on this signing and signing using your Microsoft account. Okay, okay, so I am already signing. Okay, so now after you signing, check your mail. So let's, after you registered, you got a mail. Okay, so now go on back. Go back. Okay, now after registered, you once you registered, introduce yourself on GitHub. So click on this, and this is a format like welcome to the AI agent hackathon, please use this thread to say hi, suggested details like name, nickname, username, location, previous AI experience, and favorite hobby outside coding. So here you can see all the members are giving. Okay, so simply you come on this and add these details on this inbox and give a comment. After this, you successfully registered on this. Okay, so if you look for teammates, so click on look for teammates, and connect the member and ask for join your team. Okay, so this is a process, and the project submission, once your hack is ready, follow the submission process. Click on submission process, and here you can read all the information. Like before submitting, read the official rules. You can go through. Okay, so a sponsor, you read all this information carefully, and submitting your project using the issue tracker from the hackathon repository. So click on this, add your short description, project name and description, and language framework which you work on your AI agent, and project repository you upload on GitHub, and deployed endpoint URL if you deployed the project and it is not required. Okay, and project video and team members. Okay, so team member is required, so make sure your team member are uh, goods for your hackathon. Okay, and simply create now. Okay, so this is a project submission details, and after you submit the project, this is a prizes and categories: best overall agent 2000 $20,000, and best agent in Python $5,000, and best agent in C Sharp 5,000, Java 5,000, agent in JavaScript and TypeScript 5,000, and Copilot agent 5,000, Azure AI agent 5,000. And each team can only win in one category, and all participants who submit a project will receive a digital badge. Once you successfully registered with your teams, and once you submit your projects on GitHub, you receive a digital badge if you are not eligible for winning prize. Okay, and it is the stream schedule for classes. Here you can see week 1, week 2, week 3, and so on. Okay, so this is the best opportunity if you interested in AI agent building, and this is organized by Microsoft. So this is a chance for you to earn money and earn knowledge. Okay, so I hope this this hackathon you might like. Okay, so if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe this video with your college friends and your groups, and tune with Techie Help for more new opportunities. Okay, and thanks for watching and giving your precious times with Techie Help.